If your car fucked up, don't panic, don't trip. With these hands, baby, I can do magic, bitch. I can fix any car on the planet, all of it. Hit my line right now, I'm a mechanic. Hit me up. If your car fucked up, don't panic, don't trip. With these hands, baby, I can do magic, bitch. I can fix any car on the planet, all of it. Hit my line right now, I'm a mechanic. Hit me up. Your car won't start, it's your alternator. Matter of fact, it just might be your radiator. Hold on. Or you can put some water in a little container, pour it in your car and you can ride around it later. A minute. I'm just trying to help, don't be mad at me. You know what, I'm really thinking it's your battery. It is. You probably burnt your oil out like a calorie, but I can have your car brand new like the fact brand new. But hold on, baby, I'ma need a break, cause you still need a couple ball joints and some brake, yup. It might take a couple days, so you gotta wait. I even got the plug on a paper plate up. So hit my line if you ever need me. I'm always under the hood, you will never see me. You ain't coming with no money, you can never reach me. I like my money up front, so you can never cheat. If your car fucked up, don't.
Eina. Sunkiai matai, kol... Leis prasidėt dabar, negesink kol kas. Kas dega? Čia ginčianas dega?
Nekai dega.
Kas dega?
Čia, ką žiūrim, žakas ir viskas.
Žakas viskas?
Viskas. Bet apsukas laikosi dydį, žinau dėl ko.
Tai palauk dabar.
Jo, čia kulms nudūsa. Man taip atrodo.
Man galas, akumuliatorius buvo.
Bet čia naujas. Naujas aklums. Niekas nedega, viskas tokio. Račniką klaida, kas dega, čia normalu. Tik tais račnikis dega, bet čia va. Pasvačiu klaida į rodačių tam.
Viskas?
Yes!
Renkam detalės. Nu dabar pabandyk negesinti ir vėl. Pilkas dūmas, matau.
Novai?
Ne, taigi, kad tu nori, ble. Iš pusę pasukimo, ble. Eina nachui, jau galvau neužsikurs, ble.